Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting network access so the app can't fetch cloud media. Put the phone in airplane mode and disable Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next, check for local backup in /WhatsApp/databases or note a pending iCloud/Google Drive backup. This tells you where media might come from. Once done, open WhatsApp but do not tap Restore when the prompt appears. That single tap triggers media restore. Instead, move to the file steps below to prevent automatic import. Now you stop the sources. Go into Google Drive or iCloud settings and disable automatic WhatsApp backups or delete the latest backup file. This prevents cloud restore. On the device, rename or move /WhatsApp/databases and the media folder so WhatsApp can't find local files. Use names like databases old. For Android, temporarily revoke storage permission so the app cannot access files. For iPhone, sign out of iCloud or disable WhatsApp iCloud access. These steps block both local and cloud restoration paths. Finish the process by reinstalling or proceeding with WhatsApp setup while still offline. When asked to restore, decline. Once the account is active, turn network back on and re-enable only required permissions, checking that media did not reappear. If you need specific chat history, import a vetted backup created after you removed unwanted media. Troubleshooting tip: if media still restores, immediately disable network and remove the active backup from Google Drive or iCloud. Then repeat the folder rename and reinstall steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.